mundo ng billiards, sa wakas ay napasakamay na ng Pinay Q artist na si Rubilin Amit ang kampyonato sa World 9-Ball Women's Championship. Gumawa ng kasaysayan si Amit bilang kauna-unahang Pilipina na nakakuha nito. Ang mga detalye tutukan sa report na ito. Gumawa ng kasaysayan ng Q artist na si Rubilin Amit matapos nitong magwagi sa WPA Women's World 9-Ball Championship at maging kauna-unahang Filipina na makagawa nito. Sa kabila ng pagiging mailap ng naturang kampyonato, sa wakas ay napasakamay na ito ni Amit matapos talunin ang dating kampyon na si Chen Ximing mula China sa finals na ginanap sa Hamilton sa New Zealand noong linggo.
I was really hopeful that I could pick it up towards the second set, and I'm just very fortunate that it happened the way that it did. Like, I don't want her to miss a ball, but when she missed the 8 ball, I was really surprised because with her caliber, it's almost like impossible that she would miss it. And I was like, maybe this is my chance because I really wanted to finish it because I was so nervous if we would go another set.
Bago makatuntong sa finals, kinailangan munang talunin ni Amit ang kapwa Filipino pool player na si Cheska Centeno sa last 16, Chinese Taipei's Wei Chu Chen sa quarterfinals, at Christina Shak mula Russia sa semis. Dahil dito, nag-uwi ang 42-year-old Q artist ng premyong nagkakahalaga ng $50,000 at nadagdagan ng kanyang world title collection, kabilang na ang dalawang WPA Women's 10-Ball Championship noong taong 2009 at 2013.